So it's... Holy shit, 12:30. Just getting to finish off this flaming nightmare. Let me get a torch. Let's get it brighter. Right, so new. These big ass roots. And they were growing right underneath that bottom thing. I don't know what rest, but they were right underneath, so, and behind these posts, it actually pushed the fence panel off, and they've rotted, so I've got rid of them, burnt them out. I managed to save, let me see if I can change this torch. I managed to save them two, and there's 4 over there as well that I've managed to save. So I'm going to give them a bit of a sand down. Put them back. It's all rotten. Let me show you. It's quite to wet the neighbours. It's not fair. Alright, yeah. Also, I've had to stick these up just to cover me back because I've got solar panels on the opposite side, and then these kids like to climb up, into people's gardens, so I'm alright to put panels on the back, but I've had to let people know. Look at that though. Same as that top one as well. Right, bloody mess. So I've got rid of all the damaged ones. I'm gonna unscrew all them. And I'm just gonna put a new set all the way through when it's to berries tomorrow. Get some boarding. It's not much, I think it's about £2.50 a length. And then we'll just redo the whole fence all the way down and leave that. Nothing wrong with that. I was going to burn that, but I think I've done enough at neighbours. I need one of them garden collectors. Carry up downstairs with the work. Yeah, so as you can see what I mean, solar panel. So that's there because sun right from 2 o'clock through till 9 o'clock. That's beaming. Then I've got 2 panels. That one's going up the back of here. And then there's another panel over there, which is going over there. And then there's panels going on top of there, and so I've got 2 different systems. But I've been trying to figure out the bike's own internet. for the GPS, the sat nav, and all of that and the other is like coming off them digital phones, and then the camera, because I keep seeing things in the sky, trying to get it set up because it's Wi-Fi, so I should be able to get it set up through power unit and on 65 inch. I might let that go. Oh no, it's plenty hot enough. Plenty hot enough. There we go. Bit of heat. Yeah, but she'll look nice when she's done. Couple hanging baskets. Get all this flag down properly. This is my dilemma. These things are massive. I mean, I've been taking it down from underneath there and all across there, and I never thought about that bottom panel. Big thick chunk. You can see it there, there's a big one there, there's one there. So what's been happening there is, all this soil over the years has been building up because of the roots. Oh, she's going. So over the years it's building up, the roots been getting bigger, etc, etc. To where it's like, oh my god. So, back to the ground it is. Oh, that was a buzz, my new jet wash. Free water. So I'll do this one. Yeah. Free water. Free solar. Wash bike, wash path. Did all sorts, and I used a quad bit of that. Yeah. On it. What's my next job? Next job now is wiring. Now everything. Oh, a couple of other things to do. See, I'm one of them. I bolt it all up, plug it all in, and then it doesn't work. That's me all over. New camera, that's awesome that. I've got another one scoop as well. Oh well. Hope you're having a blessed. What day is it today? Friday? Last Friday night. Happy days.